video, we're going to set up this mamlichan.com DNS onto this VPS using WHM and cPanel. And at first, we have to set up these name servers here. These NS1 and NS2, they belong to this Liquid Web server, so that we have to set it up here so that this mamlichan.com can be redirected to this VPS, not to Godaddy. And to start here, we click on domains here first, and then come here, click on DNS. And just to check, we try Mamli, and we find that mamlichan.com is already here. This is the DNS zone that was created by me a little bit before, because just to save time for propagation. And as you can see here, the NS1 and NS2, these are exact match. And if you want to edit them, you can click here, make your change, and confirm. And if you want to create a whole new zone, you come here, click on create zone, and this is where you put in the domain name, like mamlichan.com, pick your IP from here, and then create new zone. And that's how you end up with this. And once this is set up, then we just go back and we come here. Basically, they look like this. And if you drop it down, you'll find Web Host Manager, which is WHM, sorry. And then you click on this and you end up WHM here. And at this point, we click on create a new account. Once this screen arrives, we just, I try to do copy and paste so that there's no spelling mistake. And if I hit tab, they automatically make this as a user account, username. So I don't mess with that, leave it at that. Just go for password and paste here and here. And we get a support email address. Okay, once these are done, then we choose a package. These can be set up earlier. Basically, if you click here, you'll see these are the data points you have to fill out. At this point, we're not trying to do that because I've already set up a package like that, which actually covers all those details. And we leave this part alone, leave this alone. We're not trying to make it a reseller, but make sure these are going to be checked by default, and we want to keep them checked because these two actually protects your account from the spammers. And last but not least, you can find the mail routing, the MX record. You can put automatically detect, or if you have a remote exchange like Google, then you can choose that and set up manually. But for now, I'm going to keep it at local. And just to make sure, you can see here, these two are our default domain names, domain servers, which are set up right here. And now that we made that sure, we hit create. And boom, we have our account created. And once you do this screen, you'll see only one time. So make sure you copy this, just this part with all the details, and paste it on a notepad somewhere else. Preserve it. And once you do, then we can click on list account. Here we will look for Mamli. And bada bing, we have our cPanel account. And if we click on it, we end up here. Just to check whether Mamlichan has been propagated yet, let me just do a checking here. All right, perfect. So now this is actually coming from the cPanel. I can show you the test by going to the file manager. And I always do this, go to the public, and I create a file just to test index.html. And here we go to edit, and we type something, welcome to mamlichan.com, and save it. And right here, if we refresh, boom, welcome to mamlichan.com. So this will be all for now, but on the next video, we are going to install WordPress on this one. And that's it for now. Thanks for watching.